Hi, this is Ishwar, and in this video I'm going to let you know how to know when you get paid. There are quite a few ways in which we notify, quite a few ways in which we give you the information that you need to know who are your members, how much have they paid you, etc. That's what this video is going to share with you. Let me share my screen and get started. So firstly, this is, let's say, assume this is your network and you're logged in. You will first get a notification right here when a person pays you. So when you click, you'll actually see the names of people. You can view their profile. You can just send them a WhatsApp welcome. All of that stuff you can do right here. But if you want more details, of course, you will also get an email. You will also get a WhatsApp message. You will get all of that as well. The next step, of course, is apart from this notifications tabs, right next to that, the settings icon, right? You click the settings icon and it'll take you to your dashboard. Your dashboard shows you how many new customers. Typically, when you have an extra customer, this will update from 3, it will go to 4, right? So it gives you the broad data, what's their revenue in the current month, etc. And then finally, if you want to know more about these members, you just head over to the members tab. The members tab, once you click it, will list a lot of different people who have been trying to become as members and those who have become as members. If they become a member, you will see them here as active, right? So you will see that they are active members. When you click on the card, you will get some more information, their email, their mobile number. You can click right here, send them an email, click right here, send them a WhatsApp message. All of that is very, very possible right from here. Apart from that, of course, you get the payment ID, you get the amount that they have paid, when it was paid at, all of that stuff is shared with you. It also tells you when their membership expires, right? So that you have a good idea. Now, of course, now you can also make notes on this user once you start coaching them. If you have any one-on-one notes to take, you can do that here. And I think this is really the crux of it. There's nothing really more. If a person has something against their name, then it will show up in green. When they don't, you will not see it. There's one more thing, of course. If you want to see a list of all your active members, all the people who have paid you, then this is really what you're looking at. Right, so safe, danger, all of that is just people who are going to expire is danger. Expired is of course people who have already completed their membership with you, right? And if there's an opportunity to enroll them again, then sure, you can use that as well. I think this is broadly it. This is the way to kind of check the tab members, your email, your WhatsApp, your notifications, and of course your dashboard, multiple ways. And when you click on the name, of course, you have more details about how much they have paid you, which plan they have bought. That's it from me, signing off. Now you know how to check when a person has paid you. Hopefully this video was easy. Bye-bye.